In this section, we'll gain a bit of knowledge about how PowerPoint integrates with the Microsoft Power Package and how every Power tool is interconnected with each other. As you may recall from a previous session, PowerPoint can be linked to a Word document. This is also true for Excel. However, PowerPoint also includes a built-in version of Excel. At first glance, this might seem like a trivial feature, but it allows you to create and customize charts and diagrams directly within PowerPoint. This enables you to add stunning animations and effects. This otherwise wouldn't be supported if you just connected to an external Excel sheet. You'll explore how to create and edit charts and diagrams and how to customize their appearance by changing shapes and applying effects such as gradient colors, glows, or shadows. Additionally, you'll discover how to easily modify the underlying data source, enabling you to build a robust financial template for reuse. Next, we'll add toggle animations to reveal data when clicked. Finally, we'll tie everything together by designing a clickable menu using inserted PowerPoint icons, seamlessly brought to life with the Morph transition. Let's jump into it.